You need this delicious ginger dipping sauce for making hibachi at home. Your family is gonna love it. Okay, let's make this sauce together. I have all of my ingredients measured and ready to go. All we have to do is get them together in a mini food processor and crush them up until they're mixed really well. Into our mini food processor, I have a half a cup of yellow onion, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger that's been chopped, 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm gonna do 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Pop the top on. Blend your ginger dipping sauce for 30 to 60 seconds or until that onion and ginger are crushed up pretty well. Voila. Once I have my sauce ready, I like to transfer it to a little pitcher so it's easy for serving. You can save leftover ginger dipping sauce in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. It's so delicious and absolutely perfect for hibachi vegetables and seafood. There you go. That's all you needed to make this recipe. You can print out the recipe card and check out the blog post over at fancyaproncooking.com. Make sure you check out the rest of my hibachi recipes and subscribe so you never miss what I have coming. Thank you.